You like my new logo? Anyways, I put the gear in reverse. I'm looking both ways. No one's coming. I'm backing up. I have a rear camera inside my truck as well. And I'm safe to go, or so I thought. You see that car on the right? The rear lights. I stop. It was too late. My honking didn't help. And I was so disappointed right now. Right at this moment, I was thinking, I have to deal with insurance. I don't want to deal with insurance. I felt pretty secure. My truck was drivable. She didn't hit it that hard. So I get out, and I got to tell you, you all right? That was just me asking if my daughter was all right. She was in the car seat. So I get out. She's really nice. I got to tell you, this lady came out. She said, "Look, I'm really sorry, but you don't have any you don't have any damage on your truck. My car's fine. Blah blah blah." I checked the tailgate, make sure it closes and opens. I know it seems kind of stupid, but I'm just OCD. And everything looked good. And the lady started telling me that this is why I tell my daughter not to argue and drive. This is what happens when you argue and drive. And I'm just laughing because she's the one driving, the mom, not the daughter. Anyways, here's pictures. Everything's fine. She has a very low car, so she hit my tire, I think. And the way it made my truck bounce, it felt like she hit my tire instead of a crunching sound. So I let it go. You know, there's no point in taking this any further. And I got a cool video out of it. Hope you enjoyed it.